not just run the windshield wipers? That'll get all the snow off. It last snowed 3 days ago. Actually, 2 days ago. It last snowed 2 days ago. Yeah, look at all the snow on the roof. Hopefully you're about to get a snow brush from the Dunkin' Donuts there or something. Tell me, would you do anything to get the snow off your car?
Obviously,
really, half your windshield is covered up. What the fuck is that? Really? Holy crap. Look at all the snow on your roof. Nissan drivers. Big Cadillac Escalade can't clear all the snow off their hood. And it's covering half the windshield. Another one today.
And
Nissan driver, you got, I would like to say, 75% of your rear window covered. That's pretty bad. You can't reach any of the snow off the truck. Holy crap, that's a lot of snow on there. Alright, is there any chance that you could clear off your license plate and your lights? At all? Is there anything you can do? Clean the snow off your roof! Gonna blaze the mamba. Listen to the radio. Oh, we remember to clear your car of all the snow! You got a lot of snow on your roof. Just want to let you know that. Oh my god, look at the car's windshield! How are you supposed to see out of that? How could anyone drive that thing like that? Maybe that's why it's on a tow truck. I don't know. Oh my goodness, look at all that snow coming off of there. It's JB Hunt. Don't fear the ice scraper. Don't fear the snow brush. Come on, man. Clean the snow off your roof. How is it possible to still have snow in your car?
If they were to be treated in such a cavalier fashion, people of a gun could be sure that they would.
Oh, look at that big piece of ice that fell off.